What's up, TK Nation? It is your boy, T2 King, coming at you. And today, I am doing, well, if I look at the title of this video, I'm doing the mukbang for y'all. And today, I'm going to be preparing for you guys some old-fashioned ramen with hot dogs and hot sauce. And tell me, guys, you can say, oh, Malik, oh, that's disgusting, but trust me, it is very delicious. You just have to prepare it like I prepared. And actually, we're going to get to that right now. Oh, you guys, I got the food, a little drink, some Ohana Punch, original flavored, some delicious stuff, man. This is some delicious stuff right here. Ohana, I love your stuff, man. Delicious. And I got my noodles right here with my hot dogs in them. Yeah, you see that? And I'll be throwing red hot sauce on my stuff because it'll be delicious. So I'm throw some down there, y'all. Some splash. Yes. So I wanted to sit here and talk to you guys and, well, do the video, but also talk to you guys about some stuff I have into the video. Yeah, these noodles aren't done, but I'm terrible at making food when I start trying to make it on the stove. So probably the other video might remake a bowl. Right now I'm gonna sit here and eat. Yeah. It's terrible. I really gotta stop cooking on the stove and just cook in the microwave. But besides my cooking being terrible, I wanted to talk to you guys about a little plan I have in the future to do with the channel and what I'm gonna be planning to do next. I might have upcoming video of me actually dyeing this back to black, switching my rooms, my little sister, so I'm gonna drop that video, keep an eye out. I'm sorry you're in the background, it's my dog, she does. Anyway, I'm actually planning on working more on doing more videos. I actually plan on getting a job so I can buy a camera so I can stop using my phone and I can have a camera and actually know what I'm doing. And get a way better tripod so I can get a way better tripod. So that's gonna be awesome. I'm sorry, but it's like I'm really hungry. I haven't really ate all that much. All I ate was some candy, and that was about it. Right now, I'm just eating all the hot dogs out the noodles. I'm making a mess apparently. But I'm glad I'm doing a lot, so, and you guys are gonna be there with me for it all. From me dyeing my hair, like I said, changing my rooms, to me actually going to a place called Fight Prime. Going to Fight Prime with my brother. And learning how to actually fight. Like, I mean, legitimately If I do this, guys, I become known as a lethal weapon because I won't be allowed to fight. I'll be forbidden, and I'll go to jail if I do. So I was like, okay, well, might as well achieve to something, right? So that's what I'm doing instead of football. And yeah, I'm trying to get my license. I think I gotta start doing like videos with a car, and they do videos in a car. Like, come on, guys, that's a goal. And honestly, I feel like what I'm doing now, I'm gonna reach that. Like, today is Saturday. Tomorrow, I might do a video. I'm gonna switch my room with my sister, or probably work on editing this video so I can prepare it for you guys. And honestly, this is gonna be fun. Yeah, I'm not hungry anymore. I'm literally not that much hungry no more because the taste of the noodles kind of threw me off. So I'm just gonna have a conversation with y'all. But all I had to say was, keep it noted that I have more content coming to the channel, more stuff. Like, go and follow my social media on TikTok, on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and I'm going to put those in the description down below. Well, probably my Twitter. I gotta find a way to do that, but only me, I'm gonna find it. So it's gonna be down there with my Instagram, my Snap, and for my Instagram, you can find my Snapchat. And yeah, if you guys want more content, drop a like, hit that notification bell, and actually, matter of fact, hit subscribe, comment, and become part of the TK Nation. Because trust me, guys, I'm trying to bring it up. I'm working hard on the videos. I'm going to improve on them. Trust me, I'm going to improve. I'm going to get more used to this. I'm going to get more used to it. So just wait on me, guys. Wait on me because I'm coming up. Let's go. TK out, y'all. Peace.